stiffness in your hips, you've tried stretching and yet you still feel tight and stiff, this video is for you. If you don't know me, I'm Angela McMillan. I'm a transformational movement coach. I use Feldenkrais techniques and my dance training to help you move better. I am obsessed with helping humans reach their human potential through feeling more aligned, coordinated, and graceful. So for this short movement exploration, you're going to need a rolled up towel. I'm going to be sharing with you a very short part of my Magic Towel series, and this one is for the hips. I hope you enjoy. I've got quite a smaller towel, but you can just use a normal size towel. Roll it up, the small ends together, and then come to leave it next to you and come to find a place on the floor. For a moment, just rest your body on the floor. And now what we're going to do is place this rolled up towel along one side of the body. This is a magic towel lesson, absolutely amazing. It's only part of a much longer awareness through movement lesson that you'll find in my Happy Hips workshop series. And so you could just roll yourself to the side and bring it underneath whichever side of the pelvis you choose. I've got it on my left, and just for a moment listen in to how different that is. To have you want one side of the hip lifted, and then this is along the length of the side of the body. And then bring your legs into standing. And first up, just lift the opposite hip off the ground and back down again. A few times, bringing it level. And now the hip that is on the ground, you're going to place that foot on top of your knee. And a few times lift the hip and down again. Now what we're going to do is take hold of the thigh. One hand close to the pelvis and one hand up. And we're going to internally rotate that leg, moving the flesh around your bone. So we're exploring internal rotation. And maybe that lifts that hip off the ground a little bit when you do that. And then we're going to explore external rotation of that hip. Moving the skin, muscle around the bone. And then let that go. For a moment, rest with the towel still there. Then lift the towel out, bring it to the other side. We'll do the other side in a minute. Just notice how that feels on the ground now. And just rotate one leg and then the other and compare the difference. Now let's do the other side. So bringing the towel underneath your hip and the side of your body. Spend a moment to feel the difference in how you're lying with the towel under you. Bring the knees up into standing. Lift the hip that's on the ground, bring it level a couple of times and place that foot on the knee. Bring the hip up off the ground, level a few times here. Then we're exploring internal rotation of the hip, of the leg, with grabbing hold of the flesh and turning it around. And then doing it towards the outside, external rotation. Is this side more comfortable for you to do? And then go one way, then the other. And then give that up. Let your legs long. Rest for a moment with the towel still there. Bring the towel out. gently roll one leg in the hip joint and the other one. You feel a difference. Bring yourself to sitting. So if you did feel a little bit of a difference in that movement exploration, imagine if you did the full lesson. And if you continued this journey to explore internal and external rotation. Hi, thanks for watching this short movement exploration for the hips. If you want more videos for the hips, just go right here. And please subscribe to my channel, click that bell icon so you'll be notified when my next video goes live. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.